Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the integration by the part method. Now we take some problem here. Problem 31. Sine inverse integration of sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now question number 31 here. Solution of this 31. Integration of sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. In this case, if you take the product of two functions and take the unity, in that case problem created. Now for this here putting x equal to tan theta, x equal to tan theta, differentiating with respect to theta, dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Differentiation of tan x is sec square theta d theta. For this theta equal to tan inverse x. Now our integration will be sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta and dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Now we know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This can be written as, if you put the sin tan theta and tan square theta in sin cos, then we get this is equal to sin 2 theta. So that integration of sin inverse sin 2 theta into sec square theta d theta. This is equal to sin 2 theta 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This can be written as 2 tan theta sin theta divided by cos theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. This can be written as this comes here, so that 2 sin theta but divided by cos theta, and this is here and comes upside cos square theta, but cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is equal to 1 and 1 cos remove here. 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is equal to sin 2 theta. So that in place of this we write sin 2 theta this. Now sin inverse sin theta equal to theta, so that this is equal to 2 theta into sec square theta d theta integration of this. Now we take in this case, this is a first term and this is the second term. 2 comes outside, so that first function integration of second function sec square theta minus integration of whole d by dx d by d theta into theta integration of sec square theta d theta and integration of whole that is equal to d theta here. Now to theta integration of sec square theta is tan theta because differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta minus this is equal to 1 integration of 1 into tan theta and here d theta. Now integration of tan theta is log sec theta to theta into tan theta minus integration of this is log this is equal to log sec theta. This can be written as log sec theta. Now putting the value of this here to theta equal to tan inverse x into tan theta, tan of theta equal to tan inverse x, tan inverse x minus log 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, so that we take it 1 plus tan square theta now tan of tan inverse theta is this is equal to x, so that 2x tan inverse x 2x tan inverse x and 2 comes here minus 2 log 1 plus tan theta x equal to tan theta equal to x, so that this is equal to 1 plus x square under root 1 plus x square under root log 1 plus x square under root. This is we add integrating constant c. This is our answer here. Now question number 32 here. Integration of tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square dx. In this case also we putting x equal to tan theta, so that dx equal to sec square theta d theta and theta equal to tan inverse x. Now in this case integration of tan inverse x equal to tan theta 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Tan square theta and dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. Now we know that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We apply the formula. This is equal to integration of tan inverse tan 3 theta 3 tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta into sec square theta d theta. Now this is simply equal to 3 theta integration of sec square theta d theta. Putting this is first term and this is the second term, so that 3 first term theta into integration of second term sec square theta d theta minus integration of differentiation of first d by d theta into theta integration of second sec square theta d theta and integration of whole function d theta. Now here 3 theta, this can be written as sec square theta, integration of sec square theta equal to tan theta, theta into tan theta, because differentiation of tan theta equal to sec square theta, so that integration of sec square theta equal to tan theta minus d theta by d theta, this is 1, and sec square theta tan theta, and this is a d theta. Now 3 theta equal to tan inverse x, this is equal to tan inverse x into this is tan of tan inverse x minus here integration of tan theta equal to log sec theta, Now this is 3 here, this can be written as tan of tan inverse theta equal to x, in this case x tan inverse x tan inverse x, this x comes here minus log sec theta 1 plus tan square theta under root. Now this, so that this is equal to 3 x tan inverse x minus x tan inverse x tan inverse x minus log 1 plus tan square theta. It means that log 1 plus tan theta equal to x square. This is in this form. We add the integrating constant c. This is our answer. Now here question number 33. Integration of 1 by log x minus 1 by log x to the power 2 dx here, so that we separate this integration of 1 by log x dx minus integration of 1 by log x to the power 2 dx. Now in this case we take in product form 1 by log x and 1 dx, first function, this is the second function, this comes same things here. First function integration of second function, differentiation of first, integration of second, whole का integration, this function comes here. Now here 1 by log x integration of 1 dx, that is equal to x, and here in this case d by dx differentiation of 1 by log x, this comes minus log x to the power minus 1 nx n minus 1, this is equal to minus 1 by log x to the power 2. This and log x का 1 by x and integration of 1 dx equal to x here. This can be also written as d by dx log x to the power minus 1 d by d of log x to the power minus 1 and d by dx log x. This is nx n minus 1 log x to the power n minus 1 and minus 2 into log x का 1 by x. This can be written as minus 1 by log x के power 2 into 1 by x. So that this integration of 1 dx equal to x. This term comes here now. X and x cancel, and this is minus minus plus integration of 1 by log x to the power 2 dx, and this is a log x to the power 2 dx. These terms and these terms cancel, so that x divided by log x, and we add the integrating constant c here. This is our answer. Now we take question number 34. Integration of log sec inverse x divided by under root x under root x square minus 1 into dx. Here integration of sec inverse x, this terms comes here, so that putting x equal sec inverse x equal to t, this is equal to log t, and differentiating it 1 by x under root x square minus 1 dx is equal to dt, so that this is equal to log t, this term is equal to dt. We take the log t is the first function and 1 is the second function. This can be written here. In this case, first function log t integration of 1 dt minus integration of differentiation of d by dt log t integration of 1 dt, and now also integration of these two functions dt. This is can be written as integration of 1 dt t, so that here t log t minus differentiation of log t log x 1 by x, so that 1 by t, and into integration of 1 dt simple t, and now integration of this dt, so that this is equal to t log t minus t cancel 1 dt, that is equal to simple t. Now putting the value of t here, t equal to sec inverse x, this is equal to sec inverse x into this is log of sec inverse x minus t equal to sec inverse x. Now we take the common here, sec inverse x, here log sec inverse x minus this is simple 1, and we add the integrating constant c here, so that this is our answer. Now here question number 35 here. Integration of e के power x 1 plus tan x into sec x dx. We break this bracket. Integration of e के power x sec x dx and plus integration of e के power x sec x tan x dx. Now we take these terms here. This is the first term and this is the second term. These terms remain take the same, because if we expand this, such type of terms occur in this case, so that first function integration of second function differentiation of first integration of second whole का integration, these terms comes here, and this is the integration of sec x tan x, that is a sec x e to power x sec x, and here differentiation of e to power x sec x tan x integration, this is the sec x dx. Now these terms and these terms both are same, this is a positive and this is a negative cancel, only e के power f sec x and add integrating constant c here. This is our answer. Now we take question number 36. Integration of x square sin x cos x dx. We break this. If we multiply 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x, so that 1 by 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. We apply the product form, first term, second term, first term, integration of second term minus differentiation of first, integration of second whole का integration, so that x square integration of sin 2x, that is equal to minus cos 2x and 2, this is 1 by 2 here, and in differentiation of x square nx n minus 1, this is 2x, integration of this term is this. Now here minus, so that minus and 1 by 2 and 2 to the 4, 1 by 4 x square cos 2x, and in this case 1 by 2 comes here, and minus minus, that is equal to plus, 2 to cancel, so that 1 by 2 comes here, and here 2 to cancel, x cos 2x dx. Now we also apply this is the first term and this is the second term, so that 1 by 2 x into integration of second term minus differentiation of first, integration of second whole का integration, so that this is x cos 2x is integration of this sin 2x by 2 minus this is 1, and integration of this term is sin 2x by 2. Now minus 1 by 4 x square cos 2x, and this is 2 to the 4, 1 by 4 x sin 2x, and here minus 1 by 2 comes here, 1 by 2 or 2 to the 4, 1 by 4 here, and integration of sin 2x, that is also minus cos 2x by 2 minus plus 4 to the 8 and cos 2x, so that our integration become minus 1 by 4 x square cos 2x plus 1 by 4 x sin 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 2x, and add the integrating constant last c. This is the integration of this function. Now question number 37, sec tan inverse x dx, putting tan inverse x is equal to t, x is equal to tan t, dx is equal to sec square t dt, putting this sec t and dx is equal to sec square t dt. Now we take the first term and second term, solve it in video 12. Question number 15, solve these questions. That answer is half plus x